What's going on, guys? Dr. Mike here. We have Dakota in the house today. And Dakota, tell me a little bit about what's going on. I know you told me you have a little bit of shoulder pain.
Yeah, I've just been noticing when anytime I lift, having a little catching here, tightness, yeah.
Anything in the back, up in the neck at all?
Slightly. I wouldn't say so much, more located in the shoulder.
Okay. Let's go ahead and go face down and we'll get everything checked out. And then we'll work on that shoulder area after the adjustment. I'm going to feel from the neck down to the lower back and let me know if I feel any tight spots, okay?
Okay.
Or any sore spots as well. Any issues with the low back?
I have some tight hips.
Okay. Any soreness on the other side here?
Not too much of soreness.
Definitely feel tightness on that left side. I'm going to have you slide down just a little bit.
Okay.
That's good right there. You're going to feel the tape on your back. Going to put a little pressure here. Alright, go ahead and lay on your side facing me this way.
Okay.
Alright, we're going to bring that shoulder up from under and just lay back nice and comfortable. And bring the arms right there. Alright. Take a big deep breath in, blow it all the way out. Good. Roll to the other side. Okay. Same thing over here. We're going to bring you a little closer. Big breath in all the way out. And just stay nice and relaxed. There we go. Lay on your back. That was a good one there. Give yourself a big tight hug. So we're going to bring those arms just like that.
Okay.
Big breath in. Blow it all the way out. Good. We're going to check one spot a little lower. Big breath in all the way out. There we go. I knew there was a little bit hiding in there. You can relax your arms down. I'm going to bring you down just a little bit. Bring that arm up right here. Big breath in, all the way out. There we go. Just relax the leg here. Good. Same thing over here. Good. Should have felt that all the way up into your hips.
Definitely.
Just relax. Okay. You got one more on the right hand side. Wiggle your toes. There we go. All right. I'm gonna use this guy to decompress everything. Go ahead and lift your head up for me and relax. Lay back nice and comfortable. Little pressure here. Good. Go ahead and lift your head up. Alright, I'm going to have you sit up and face the wall. We're going to have you take your shirt off, that way we can work on those muscles up top. Okay. You let me know if I hit any sore spots or anything like that. I'm not going to put too much pressure on you here, but I just want to make sure everything's nice and loosened up.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to move to the other side here. Nice and red in through here. Doing okay in through here.
Mm-hmm.
Got a nice little knot right in through there.
Yeah,
I'm sure
I
you
feel
feel that. Yes, got another one right in through there. Alright, so I'm going to clean everything off and I'll have you lay face up after I put the towel down, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
Alright, can you stand up for me? Okay. And lay face up on your back. We're going to work on that pec on the left side. This area can be a little sore, so you just let me know if I hit anything, especially right in through here.
Actually feels pretty good.
Still doing okay through here?
Yeah.
Everything's really ready in through there, so we're just about done. Okay. So next to your arm there. Alright, go ahead and stand up. We can go ahead and just wipe everything off there. I want you to kind of move that shoulder around. You can go ahead and put your shirt on too.
Okay, I'll do that first.
I want you to kind of move your neck around, move that shoulder around, make sure everything feels loosened up. Got a lot of movement in the neck and in the mid back too, so hopefully that kind of loosens everything up. Feels like you have a little bit more range of motion.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's a lot looser.
Awesome.
Oh, thank you.